The Software Requirements Specification, SRS, serves as a comprehensive blueprint for a software project, delineating functionalities, features, constraints, and other requisite elements. The creation of a well-defined SRS is pivotal for the triumph of the software development process, offering a crystalline understanding of the project's objectives. The key components encompass various facets, commencing with the introduction, which elucidates the document's purpose, scopes the project's boundaries, and outlines its goals and objectives. The overall description section provides insight into the software's integration into a larger context, its primary functions, and the characteristics of its user classes. The appendices section includes supplementary information like glossaries or acronyms, while the review and approval segment outlines the process and criteria for approving the SRS document. Specific requirements further break down into functional requirements, elucidating use cases, system features, data requirements, and interfaces. Non-functional requirements specify performance expectations, reliability levels, security measures, usability criteria, and scalability indicators. Constraints encompass regulatory requirements, hardware and software limitations, and interfaces to other applications. Assumptions and dependencies highlight considerations made during requirements gathering and external dependencies. System models incorporate diagrams or models, such as use case diagrams, to illustrate the system structure and behavior. The appendices section includes supplementary information like glossaries or acronyms, while the review and approval segment outlines the process and criteria for approving the SRS document. The importance of the SRS cannot be overstated. It serves as a vehicle for clear communication, ensuring that stakeholders share a common understanding of software requirements. Acting as a foundational guide, the SRS forms the basis for development, directing developers in the design, implementation, and testing phases of the software development lifecycle. Its emphasis on requirement traceability establishes a link between each requirement and its source, aiding in validation and verification processes. The SRS contributes to risk management by identifying potential challenges early in the project, enabling effective planning and mitigation strategies. Client and stakeholder involvement is facilitated through the SRS, ensuring accurate capturing of needs and expectations. The document plays a crucial role in change control, acting as a baseline for managing alterations in requirements through a formal process to maintain consistency. In the realm of legal and compliance, the SRS helps document and ensure adherence to legal and regulatory requirements in specific industries. Quality assurance is supported by the SRS, providing a foundation for creating test cases and conducting thorough testing to ensure the software meets specified requirements. In conclusion, the SRS document stands as a vital tool in software development, guaranteeing a comprehensive understanding of project requirements, guiding development, and serving as a perpetual reference throughout the project's lifecycle. Its meticulous creation and continual maintenance significantly contribute to the overall success of the software project.